Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best V8 Engine Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and educational projects for car enthusiasts and hobbyists alike, offering a hands-on experience of assembling a functional miniature replica of a powerful internal combustion engine, allowing you to delve into the intricate mechanics and appreciate the engineering marvel behind this iconic powerplant, and providing a unique display piece for your collection or workspace. Number 5. Playz V8 Engine Model Kit. Get ready for hands-on fun with this amazing engine kit. It's perfect for adults and kids who love to build and learn. Watch it move. This isn't just a model, it's a working replica of a classic V8 engine with powerful pistons and interactive cables. Hear the engine sounds as the fans turn. With cranks, pulleys, belts, and exhaust valves, this kit provides hours of engaging fun. It's a great way to spend quality time tinkering and building. Boost your critical thinking and motor skills as you build this mini engine. It's a brain-boosting challenge that's also incredibly rewarding. Looking for a unique and inspiring gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. It's a classic V8 engine model kit that truly works, offering a visible design so you can see all the moving parts. With over 270 parts, it provides a challenging and rewarding build experience. If you are looking for a detailed and functional model, this is the one for you. What people say. This engine, even though it's all plastic, is well made for the price. It was very easy to assemble and is a good way to introduce a child with interest in how an engine works to learn about it. All parts fit perfectly and the engine works as stated. Besides the fact that it's not a combustion engine, obviously, because it's plastic, it seems to operate like a real engine. I love that they give a quick overview of how the engine will work and a few pictures of how the intake works. After they laid out all the pieces separated from the plastic sheet they were attached to, they could see all the pieces easier. The main problem with this set is that there are little nubs where you detach the small pieces from the plastic sheet they come on. You need to file the nub off to make them fit. Overall, I think when it is complete it will be a neat project. I like that the body is translucent so you can see the inner workings as it runs. This was a fun build with all the tools, a single screwdriver, included. No glue needed. It is fun, educational, and entertaining to build and operate. Number 4. Playz Flat 6 Engine Kit. Get ready to build your own working mini engine. This kit has over 320 pieces and easy-to-follow instructions. It's more than just a toy, it's a hands-on STEM project that teaches you about internal combustion engines. You'll learn about mechanical principles in a fun and engaging way. This isn't your average toy engine. It features a fully functional 4-stroke cycle simulation with realistic engine sounds. It's amazing. Designed for ages 12 and up, it's perfect for kids and adults who love engineering. Build confidence and learn about a century of scientific and engineering advancements. Looking for a unique and educational gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for the whole family. We use high-quality materials and proven methods to deliver a superior STEM learning experience. It's an amazing way to explore science and engineering. What we like. This kit boasts over 320 pieces and features a unique flat 6 engine design, making it a more complex and educational build. It's perfect for those who want a challenging project with a focus on learning. If you enjoy intricate builds and want to learn about engineering principles, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This engine, even though it's all plastic, is well made for the price. It was very easy to assemble and is a good way to introduce a child with interest in how an engine works to learn about it. All parts fit perfectly and the engine works as stated. Besides the fact that it's not a combustion engine, obviously, because it's plastic, it seems to operate like a real engine. I love that they give a quick overview of how the engine will work and a few pictures of how the intake works. After they laid out all the pieces separated from the plastic sheet they were attached to, they could see all the pieces easier, but it would have been better if the pieces or bags were marked in some way for identification purposes. The main problem with this set is that there are little nubs where you detach the small pieces from the plastic sheet they come on. You need to file the nub off to make them fit. Overall, I think when it is complete it will be a neat project. I like that the body is translucent so you can see the inner workings as it runs. This was a fun build with all the tools included. No glue needed. It is fun, educational, and entertaining to build and operate. Number 3. Franzis 1965 Mustang K-Code Model Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building a classic. This detailed model kit lets you assemble a piece of automotive history. It's incredibly detailed, boasting a 1:4 scale and featuring moving parts. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. See the engine come to life. Watch the fan spin, the crank turn, and the spark plugs fire, all thanks to its LED lights. Dive into the rich history of the Ford Mustang with the included 100-page collector's book. It's full of stunning photos and fascinating facts. No glue is required, and it takes only a couple of hours to build with the provided tools. It's a fun and rewarding experience for all. The electronic sound module and display base add an extra layer of realism. Hear the sounds of a real 1965 Ford Mustang. What we like. This model is a highly detailed 1:4 scale replica of a classic car engine, complete with a collector's book filled with historical information. It features many moving parts and requires no glue, making assembly quick and easy. If you are a car enthusiast or enjoy detailed models, this is a great option. What people say. It exceeded both of our expectations. I had a hard time justifying the expense for the model. After putting it together though, I have a better understanding of the components in an engine, how they go together and how they move. It has been a good and quick learning experience for me. He loved putting this together over the course of a day, and is a great way to get to know your way around the parts of an engine. Just remember to rub off the little plastic nubs on the parts that move, otherwise it will stick. Lo armemos juntos y lo único fue que al árbol lo tuvo que ligar un poco para que no estuviera tan justo, fuera de eso todo estanciar ble red heart funciona perfecto, el manual se entiende bien y no hay confusion para armarlo, todo está muy detallado light skin tone emoji modifier. Number 2. Robotics Vroom. STEM V8 engine. Get ready to explore the world of engineering. This kit contains over 270 pieces to build your own V8 engine model. It's a detailed replica, teaching you how a car's engine works and generates power. You'll see and hear it operate just like the real thing. The included manual guides you through the assembly process step by step. It's designed to be engaging and educational for ages 12 and up. Once assembled, watch the cooling fan spin, pistons move, and lights flash in perfect synchronization. It's a truly captivating experience. Building this model enhances your problem-solving skills, improves dexterity, and provides a fantastic sense of accomplishment. It's a fun and rewarding project. Enjoy the show without the cost or hassle of gasoline. It only requires 3 AA batteries, not included. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. What we like. This kit includes over 270 pieces and provides a realistic replica of a V8 engine. The moving parts and sounds make it a fun and educational experience. If you want a fun and engaging STEM project that's easy to assemble and operate, this is a great choice. What people say. The engine noises were a nice addition. My nephew is interested in becoming a mechanic and had asked me how an engine works since I have rebuilt engines and have a couple cars I am restoring. I got this for him thinking it would be a great way to see the internal workings. We spent an evening putting it together and he learned a lot. This was given to my son as a gift. It is made from incredibly cheap plastic and soft screws which need to be self-tapped into hard cheap plastic. Number 1. Playz Mini V8 Engine Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of building your own miniature V8 engine. This detailed kit is perfect for adults who love intricate projects and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something amazing with their own hands. It is meticulously crafted from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and a realistic look and feel. Each component is designed for precision assembly, providing a rewarding building experience. It is specifically designed to fit various RC car models, including the AX90104 SEX10, Capra, and VS4-10 Pro Ultra. This kit will add a touch of realism and excitement to your RC car hobby. The kit comes with clear instructions guiding you through each step of the assembly process. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to build this incredible engine with ease and precision. This isn't just a kit, it's a unique and engaging experience. It makes a fantastic gift for the adult hobbyist in your life, offering hours of fun and a sense of accomplishment. Despite its small size, 6.4 by 6 by 5.5 centimeters, it boasts incredible detail and precision engineering. You'll be amazed by the level of realism achieved in this miniature marvel. What we like. Made of metal, this mini V8 engine kit offers a robust and durable build. Its dynamic design and compact size make it a unique and interesting project. If you prefer a compact, high-quality metal model, this is the one for you. What people say. The detail is amazing on such a tiny product. It will look amazing when it's finished. The pieces are ABS plastic, and yes, there are metal parts such as bearings and brass gold threaded sleeves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.